Hello, this is a video tour of number 8 Windermere Road. The house is a mid-terraced period property offering 2 bedrooms. Leading to the property there is a step up via a gate into an enclosed foregarden area where you'll note that there is a raised border beside the wall, a gravel area, and there is a step up through the original style main entrance door with a feature stained glass setting leading through into the entrance hall. In the hallway there is a ceiling light point, partial decorative coving, a picture rail, radiator, and there is also Minton tiles. Another nice feature is that you'll see that in addition to the stained glass in the door, there is also an original style stained glass window above that too. There is access to a meter cupboard. You have the stairs at the rear of the hallway leading to the first floor accommodation, and on the right is a door leading through into the through lounge. The front half of the room does overlook the front of the house, where there is an original style bay window, again with stained glass windows at the top. In the room there is decorative coving, a ceiling rose, wood flooring, cupboards housing a meter in the corner. There is also an open fireplace with a cast iron surround with tiles sat on a hearth. There is also bookshelving. The ceiling height in the room is great, and there is a radiator here and also a radiator at the rear of the room as well in the dining space. In the dining area there is a window overlooking the side return of the garden, a ceiling light point, again there is the wood flooring. The radiator is on the left, and there is also an open understair storage area as well. From the dining area there is a door leading through into the kitchen. In the kitchen there is a window on the right and also a door with stained glass windows leading into the garden. Below the window is a sink with a drainer unit and a mixer tap over. There is shelving, a wall mounted boiler ahead, and on the left there are wall units, space for a cooker and also space for a fridge freezer. The first floor is accessed from the entrance hall with a staircase leading up to the first floor landing where there is a ceiling light point. There is access to an overstair storage cupboard on the right. Inside there is shelving and also a loft hatch. Bedroom number 1 is located at the front of the house. In here there is a sash window, a ceiling light point and a range of built-in wardrobes and drawers. And on the left is a radiator. Bedroom number 2 faces the rear of the house. Again, in this room there is a sash window. Below the sash window is a radiator. There is also a ceiling light point, bookshelving, wood flooring, and there is a tiled hearth. And lastly, there is a fitted wardrobe with overhead storage. Lastly, upstairs is the family bathroom. In the bathroom there is a window to the rear, a ceiling light point. On the left is access to an airing cupboard with shelving, and there is a hot water tank. There is radiator, wood flooring. On the right is a low-level flush WC and a pedestal wash hand basin. There is also a panelled bath with an electric wall-mounted shower over and a glass screen. The rear garden can be accessed via the kitchen and also via the gated rear access as well. Leading out into the garden, there is a paved area here with a wall to the side, and that does lead round to an area where there is an outbuilding on the left with plumbing for a washing machine. There is a raised border here, and then there is a step up to a seating area, and there are borders on both sides of the garden. At the rear of the garden on the right, there is a bedding area, which is a good size. And here is the gate into the shared rear access. Now that does conclude the video tour for the house. If you are interested in arranging a viewing, please call the office on the number provided, and we will look forward to seeing you soon.